Hello children, today we are going to talk about long and short vowel sounds. As you remember, the last day we did the vowels. And what are the vowels? The vowels are A, E, I, O and U. So today we are going to look at the letter A, the long and short sound of the letter A. Let us look at these pictures. Here we have an apple. So say apple. Then we have an ape. Ape. Now, if you notice, the two words begin with the same letter. A for apple and A for ape. But I want you to listen to the sound of the letter A. In apple, the A says ah. And in ape, the A says A. So apple, A, that is the short sound of the letter E. And ape, when the A says A, the A says its name. That is the long sound of the letter E. So the short A says A and the long A says A. Here we have some more pictures. We have an ant and an apron. So we have A for ant. This A says A. So that is the short sound of the vowel E. And apron, the A says A. It says its name. That is the long sound. Right? So we have the short A and the long A. The short A says A and the long A says A. As we continue, we have an axe and an acorn. So listen to the sound of the A in both words. Axe says A and acorn, the A says A. So we have the short A and the long A. A and A. What have we learned so far? The vowel A has two sounds. It has a long sound and a short sound. The long A sound makes the vowel say its name. For example, ape, you hear A, the A saying A. Ape, acorn, right? So the long A sound makes the vowel say its name. So here I have some sentences. The ape ate an acorn. My aunt has an apron. An ant is on the apple. So we have ape. The vowel A says its name here. So we hear A, right? So that is the long sound. We have ate. You are hearing the vowel saying its name. And then we have acorn. The ape ate an acorn. The long vowel sound makes the vowel say its name. Then we have my aunt has an apron. So you have aunt. It's a short A because you hear A. And then apron, you hear A. So that's the long E. Then an ant is on the apple. Here we have both short A's. We hear A, ant, A, apple. So you have ant here and ant here. So this first one, ant, is where you talk about your auntie, right? And the ant is the animal ant. So ant, it's, you hear the A sound. So it's the short A sound. This is an exercise you will do in your books. So here I have the words. We have acorn, album, able, ant, ace, art. And you are going to put these words in the correct column. Remember, you have to listen to the sound. The long A says A, you hear the name of the vowel, and the short A says A. So you will pause the video and you will continue to the next slide when you are finished doing this in your books. Now it's time to check your answers. So let's see. Acorn. Acorn, the A says A, so it's going under the long E. Then we have album. You hear A, album. So that will be the short E. Then we have able. You are hearing the vowel saying its name, A, able. Then we have ant, ah. Then I have ace, A, ace. Art, ah, art. So check your books and see if you had the correct answers. And if you got any wrong, you will just put the correct answer next to the one that you got wrong. I have come to the end of my lesson. Remember, children, always keep reaching for the stars.